Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Voice of Deen-Ākhira. Imagine you wake up tomorrow. The world feels normal. People going to work, students in class, mothers cooking, children playing. And then one sound fills the sky. Low, deep, rumble sound. The trumpet has been blown. The angel assigned to the trumpet has been ready for ages. The trumpet is already at his lips, waiting, not distracted, not resting, listening only for the command. Because when Allah commands, there will be no delay, not even a second. The sound is beyond anything humans have ever heard. Not thunder, not explosion, not earthquake, something greater. A sound that shakes the soul itself. The earth trembles instantly. Buildings collapse, mountains begin to move. People drop what is in their hands. A businessman freezes mid-call. A driver loses control. A mother grabs her child. But there is nowhere to run. The sky itself begins tearing apart. Stars scatter, the sun darkens, oceans burst into flames. And then comes the terrifying moment. Every living creature falls. Humans collapse, animals collapse, birds fall from the sky. Even the strongest beings cannot stand. Life leaves the world completely. Total silence, no voices, no wind, no movement. The earth becomes empty. Nothing remains alive. No kings, no armies, no billionaires, no celebrities, no influencers, no leaders, no power, no status, only silence. The world that once felt permanent ends in seconds. Imagine walking through your city now. No cars, no people, no lights, no sound. Just empty streets, empty homes, empty world. This is the state of Earth after the first blow. A planet without life. Then comes a period only Allah knows. No humans, no movement, no sound. Time passes. But nobody is there to feel it. The world waits for the second blow. And then, one day, the trumpet will be blown again, but this time not for death, for resurrection. We witness the moment the dead rise from their graves in our next video. Do not forget to share and subscribe to Voice of Deen and Akhira for more Islamic reminders.